Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the channel. Never thought I'd be saying that. Here we are at the Polygon factory. Today is an especially exciting day for me. Oh, got to park over here. Got a new bike, and I've got a feeling my new bike is that bike right there. With Mas Bro, Mas Eggy, Chancho. So yeah, I've just done about a 2-hour drive. It's about 1,000,000 degrees outside, and we're about to check out my new bike. Woo! This is my bike.
Yes.
Oh, what's happening here? And yeah, there's a sick little test track over there, so go spin some laps on it in a bit. So here she is, ladies and gentlemen. Just gonna pop the pedals on, change the brakes around because they're on the wrong side for me, and then yeah, we'll give it a little razz. Can you imagine how good my day is right now? So I've got a free bike and some free beers. Ooh. What a sick day, man. Look how many fucking ants are on my bike. Lean it against this tree for 1 minute. Jesus. Laps with the boys. Boy, even. Yeah, bro. Okay. You go left. In. Gaspol, bro. I can't keep up. Too fast, bro. And that is an extremely slow lap around the pump track. Just had a first little play around this pump track and a little bit over here. The bike is rad, man, absolutely sick. Obviously it's not the perfect place to test out the bike because it's got a dropper post, 12 gears, all that good stuff. But sooner or later we'll be going to one of my local bike parks, give it a good see into at one of the bike parks. But anyway, let's just go do a few more laps around here. Let's go.
Think kind of bum bum. It was all Jamaican, little different style, different fashion. You know? Tell me, say one thing, Nancy can't understand. One thing, Nancy can't understand. What make them a talk about me ambition? Say what make them a talk about me ambition? Come and say some of them a ask me where me get it from. Just some of them a ask me where me get it from. I told them no, it's from creation. I told them no, it's from creation. Bam bam, hey yo, what a bam bam, bam bam dilang, bam bam, bam bam dilang, bam bam, hey, what a bam.
Right, we're now finished up at the Polygon factory. We've got Eggy's bike in the back. We've got the Polygon over here and my old bike over there. We're gonna head into Surabaya and yeah, get some food and hit the skate park up. So supposedly this is the largest skate park in Southeast Asia, which I can believe. It's pretty big, to be honest. This is the section where I do most of my riding, and Mas Bro. Yeah, like jump box, little roller spine thing going on. Some quarters to get back down the other end. I reckon that used to be a foam pit at some point, but now it's just full of shit. Got a wall ride bank thing going on. Yeah, I don't even know the name of half of these features, but as you can see, there's quite a lot going on. Seems to be like some kind of street section, which I don't really have anything for. The transitions are like super tight for a bike, to be honest, bro. Why don't I say bro? Because that guy's got a little like mini ramp half pipe thing going on. Hello, bro. Yeah, more street section and a bowl. As you can see, it's buzzing down here for what is it? For Wednesday night. This is Wednesday night, 9 o'clock, and there's this many people here. So, yeah, we're gonna have a little ride round. and come along. Let's go.
This place is coming like a ghost town. Bands won't play no more. Too much fighting on the dance floor.
Go home. Cool. Short session, but yeah, unfortunately they're still doing lockdown in Surabaya, so have to be out of here by 10 o'clock. As you can see, it might have been night time, but it certainly wasn't fucking cold, was it? Yeah, we got a few sessions in, a few laps, whatever else. So yeah, put together an edit. Sick day, old bike, new bike things. You know how it is. Stay tuned, guys.